YouTube, which you, let me. I need opinions right now. Do they understand what they're about to see right now?
Why you leaned up on my client?
I don't know. Listen, your client is good. We good?
No space,
Are we
man.
good? Okay.
Yeah.
Listen, what they're about to see is it something epic?
What's going on right there? Let me see. I can't even see. What you about to do?
Man, we don't even.
What you about to do?
I gotta ask somebody else here. Wow, Ramon, really? Really? That's all you gonna say? That's all you gonna give me, huh? That's all. That's it? Okay. Wow. I gotta ask. Arlen, talk to him.
It's gonna be phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Arlen, come on, man. You said that joke in the last vlog, Arlen. Switch it up. Do something different. You ain't gotta keep doing the same thing. Come on, Arlen. Wow. Jarrell, talk to him.
What we got going on?
I don't know. You guys didn't see this guy come through the door?
Oh.
Wow.
So you about to cut that off? Transformation?
Let's go to somebody else here. Let's. Jarrell, you too? You too? Wow. Y'all just don't be looking at all. When clients come through the door, y'all just could care less, huh? Wow. Y'all didn't see that head full of hair come through the door. Okay. Right. They don't care what I'm doing. Memo, talk to him.
Man, just wait on it. Y'all gonna see. Just wait on it.
That's what I'm talking about, Memo. That's what I'm talking about. If you gonna say something, say that. George.
It's just another Jared video.
Wow. George. Not everybody gotta know my name is Jared, George. Wow. They're playing me right now. They are all playing me right now. But right now, you guys, it's epic. Epicness. He is cutting it all off. This is gone. Okay, this right here, no more. And I know y'all all are like, man, don't do it. Even I feel that way, but hey, since he's here, might as well, you know? So my client's parents wanted to donate the hair, so I just pulled the rubber band back a little bit and cut behind the rubber band so that way I could save the hair and, you know, they could put it in a plastic bag and donate it. This isn't my choice. The parents wanted it done, so I know you guys are like, oh, why is he cutting his hair? But again, this is the parents that want this done. Here it is. The hair has been cut. Now it's time to separate the top from the bottom. I'm setting in my part, putting in my duct clips, and I'm gonna start the process by clipper over comb. So now that I have everything separated, I'm gonna use my comb and my clipper and just start knocking off the bulk. So when I'm doing this clipper over comb, I'm kind of doing it at a 45-degree angle, keeping my comb at a 45, basically cutting off the bulk because I don't want to cut it off and, you know, do my comb vertical. That way it would have turned out like an undercut, and an undercut is not what we're doing. Basically he wants the curls on top and kind of a mid fade, so you want to set your comb at a 45-degree angle so that you won't get that undercut effect. Right now, I'm going in with my bald line using my Andis cordless T outliners, and I'm setting it in a contour way that best fits my client's hair so his haircut can look unique. And And right now I'm going to use my wall magic clips just to bald out the bottom. Next step, using my wall cordless seniors, I'm going to set in my lever open guideline, and I'm going to go up about 1 inch, making sure I keep it real consistent all the way through. Next, I have my one guard open, and I'm basically scooping out. I don't want to, go straight up. I don't want to set in a harsh guideline. That way, it won't give that undercut look. I'm going to go back in with my clipper over comb, with my comb at a 45-degree angle, just to clean up the top. Now putting on that 2-guard open, I'm just flicking outward, just kind of blending that in so it won't be so much bulk at the top. Now here's where blending comes in. I got my 0-guard closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. So next step you want to do is take out that bottom line. I got my lever closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm starting below the line and I'm flicking to the line. Now you want to make sure you get your wrist motion going. You want to make sure that your clipper is real loose. You don't want it to have a tight grip on your clipper holding it, you know what I mean? With the flick out motion, you want to loosen up your grip on the clipper and flick out. Right now I'm going to use my Bronze Series 9s shavers just to bald out the bottom, give it another transition, another look to your blend. It actually cleans everything up, making it nice and smooth at the bottom. Right now I'm just going to take all the duck clips out. I'm going to pick out his hair, blow dry it just so I could, give it that afro shape. And I'm just gonna use some shears, knock everything down, get it to the length that I want it. So to get a more accurate length that I want, I'm going to saturate my client's hair with water and do some, shear work. I'm going to, do some basic cross-checking, do some basic setting in guidelines, and just going front to back. This kind of reassures that the length is established. So after I blow dried it, I'm gonna go back in with my shears and shape it to the desired look. So this is my client's first haircut. So I'm going to put my duck clips in. I'm going to bring a little bit of his front line down. I'm going to put some hairspray in my client's hair just to lock that hair down so it won't go anywhere. And then I will line it up. So after I've done all of that, I'm taking my duck clips out. I'm going to saturate my client's hair again with water. Put some Johnny B mold in his hair because I feel like that product is the best product for curls. So I'm going to put that in, I'm gonna blow dry it and pick it out so that curls will, look more full. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you like any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. You like the beat? Make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube page will definitely be in the description below as well. Otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Shit.